Today it is the 11th of June 2021. This is Pajalahdentie Meijeriksvägen 9 see here in Lauttasaari rooms Helsinki as host Finland. The capacity is 3% of unified rooms. Beautiful elevator. It was built in 1940. Turned 80 years old in the last year, 2020, and was modernized in 2005 with Kone fixtures and the serial number is 32341, but it's a strange number.
Yeah.
3234 actually.
Yeah.
And this as one is just vandalization.
Yeah.
It's gonna be inspected in 2023. Oh, excuse me. Organization turned 15 years old in the last year, 2020. I have to go to work after this.
Yeah.
But we can also come back to this area later when we film the last ones in Lauttasaari rooms,
Yeah.
because we have like only A and B here.
Yeah.
So then we can wait for them both.
Yeah.
And of course all the other ones that are still left here.
Yeah.
About 30 still.
Yeah.
But of course this is not as important as the original ones, but when we have the other ones, but the other ones first.
Yeah.
The bottles don't beep. And of course it could also have been evergreen.
Yeah.
But still nice with Kone, probably early 2005.
Yeah. Spektiippaa kiva, eikö pitää maintain vai Kone?
I don't know if it is a basement floor.
Yeah.
It does, but I think the elevator doesn't go there.
Yeah.
A rather simple organization.
Yeah.
Because the old doors are still in use.
Yeah.
The old handles, doorknobs.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and let's hope we'll get into the sticks A and B later.
Yeah.